When most people think about modern armored warfare, their minds jump straight to tanks, attack helicopters, or heavily armed infantry vehicles pushing toward the front line. But behind every successful advance, there's a quieter, less glamorous hero doing some of the most dangerous work on the battlefield. That hero is the M1132 Stryker Engineer Support Vehicle, or ESV, a combat engineering platform designed not to destroy the enemy directly, but to make sure friendly forces can move, survive, and fight. The M1132 is part of the U.S. Army's Stryker family of vehicles, a fleet built around speed, modularity, and rapid deployment. While other Stryker variants focus on infantry transport, reconnaissance, or fire support, the Engineer Support Vehicle has a very specific mission: clearing the path forward. Whether it's minefields, roadblocks, wire obstacles, or urban debris, the M1132 exists to break through what the enemy puts in the way. At first glance, the M1132 looks similar to other Stryker vehicles. It uses the same 8-wheeled chassis, providing excellent mobility on roads and decent off-road performance compared to heavier tracked vehicles. This common platform allows engineer units to keep pace with infantry formations without slowing down the advance. Powered by a Caterpillar diesel engine producing around 350 horsepower, the vehicle can reach speeds of over 60 miles per hour on paved roads, making it ideal for rapid response and maneuver warfare. Protection is a major focus of the M1132's design. Like other Stryker variants, it features a welded steel hull that provides defense against small arms fire and shell fragments. Depending on the mission and threat environment, the vehicle can be fitted with slat armor or reactive armor to improve survivability against rocket-propelled grenades. The flat-bottom hull was a vulnerability in early Stryker models, but later upgrades improved blast protection to better withstand landmines and improvised explosive devices, one of the most common threats engineer vehicles face. Inside, the M1132 carries a specialized crew trained in combat engineering tasks. Typically, this includes a driver, vehicle commander, gunner, and combat engineers who operate the vehicle's tools and dismount to conduct manual tasks when necessary. Space inside is carefully organized to carry engineering equipment rather than infantry squads. This includes demolition charges, tools for obstacle reduction, and specialized systems unique to the ESV. One of the most distinctive features of the M1132 is its mine-clearing capability. The vehicle can be equipped with a mine-clearing line charge, or MICLIC, system. This rocket-propelled explosive line is fired over a suspected minefield, dragging a long line of explosives behind it. Once detonated, the explosion clears a safe path through mines and IEDs, allowing friendly forces to advance without triggering deadly devices. The MICLIC is dramatic, loud, and extremely effective, often clearing lanes hundreds of meters long in seconds. In addition to the MICLIC, the M1132 can be fitted with a full-width mine plow. Mounted on the front of the vehicle, this heavy-duty plow digs into the ground, pushing buried mines out of the vehicle's path or detonating them safely ahead of the hull. This allows the ESV to physically lead convoys through dangerous terrain, acting as a shield for following vehicles. It's slow, methodical, and incredibly nerve-wracking work, but it saves lives. Another important tool carried by the M1132 is its obstacle reduction kit. The vehicle can transport and deploy large quantities of concertina wire, demolition charges, and cutting equipment. In urban combat, engineers use the ESV to breach walls, clear rubble, and open new routes through buildings and streets. This flexibility makes the M1132 just as valuable in cities as it is in open terrain. For self-defense, the M1132 is armed, though its weaponry is not its primary focus. It usually mounts a remotely operated weapon station armed with a .50 caliber M2 machine gun or a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. This allows the crew to engage enemy threats without exposing themselves to fire. Smoke grenade launchers further enhance survivability, enabling the vehicle to obscure enemy vision and withdraw if necessary. The real strength of the M1132 lies in how it integrates with combined arms operations. In a Stryker Brigade Combat Team, the ESV works closely with infantry carriers, reconnaissance vehicles, and fire support platforms. When a route is blocked, the M1132 moves forward under protection, clears the obstacle, and allows the formation to maintain momentum. In modern warfare, where speed and coordination are critical, this role is absolutely vital. The M1132 proved its worth during deployments in Iraq and Afghanistan. Engineer units using the ESV faced constant threats from IEDs, roadside bombs, and ambushes. The vehicle's mine-clearing equipment and armor upgrades played a key role in reducing casualties and enabling safe movement for convoys and patrols. While not immune to damage, the M1132 significantly increased the survivability of units operating in some of the most dangerous environments of the global war on terror. Beyond combat, the M1132 also supports humanitarian and disaster relief operations. Its engineering tools make it useful for clearing debris after natural disasters, opening supply routes, and assisting civilian populations in unstable regions. This dual-use capability reflects the modern military's need for platforms that can adapt to a wide range of missions. As warfare continues to evolve, the M1132 Stryker Engineer Support Vehicle remains relevant. Upgrades in communications, situational awareness, and protection ensure it can operate alongside newer systems. While future armored formations may incorporate unmanned systems and advanced robotics, the fundamental need for combat engineers will not disappear. Someone still has to clear the mines, breach the obstacles, and make the road passable. The M1132 doesn't seek attention. It doesn't dominate headlines or feature prominently in recruitment posters. Yet without it, many operations would stall before they even begin. It represents the reality of modern warfare, where victory often depends not just on firepower, but on preparation, mobility, and the ability to overcome the environment itself. In the end, the M1132 Stryker Engineer Support Vehicle is a reminder that war is as much about building and clearing as it is about fighting. It's a machine designed for problem-solving under fire, operated by soldiers who know that their job is to go first, face the danger, and make the way forward possible for everyone else. And in that quiet, deadly role, the M1132 proves that engineers are not just support troops, but an essential force on the modern battlefield.